We already create our custom hook. It's separating our logic and view. But it's not enough. Right now we will refactor it more to make it even more clean and simple. But first, you might wonder, what is refactoring? I take the definition from refactoring.guru website. This is really a beautiful website, and this site is really great to learn more about refactoring. Refactoring is a systematic process of improving code without creating new functionality that can transform a mess into clean code and simple design. Basically, our process of separating logic and view also part of refactoring process. Now you already understand it, let's refactoring our app.js to be more clean and simple by moving our logic or custom hook to separate file. Create folder to organize our custom hook. Hook naming convention also must be applied to the hook file name. I put it inside folder modules and the file name usecounter.js. Copy and paste our useCounter hook to the new file. And here, you need to export this hook. If not, then you won't be able to import it. Now import the hook to our app, then save it. Okay, we got a problem. Basically, it's because we are just moving our file, but didn't import the dependencies that exist on app.js to our hook file. In this case, the dependencies that our hook needed are useState and useEffect. Let's add it. That's it. Let's try. Okay, it's working great. And see this? Now our app only contains the view, and our logic is separated at useCounter file. Nice, right? Take note again. Refactoring is one of the most important things to do in programming. Even if you are lazy, you must do it. It really is for your future sanity, not for your clients. Next is just like usual. Don't forget to update your progress to GitHub. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.